I haven't been on for a while because I haven't got my tablet as I usually use to record, so I'm using this instead. We're back with the NASCAR Paper reviews with these four, and then reviewing another four afterwards. So first off, we'll review this. It's David Reagan's 2015 KFC Ford Fusion 360 of it. Yeah, number 34, front row motorsports, obviously. And yeah, this was one of the last cars that I actually made with sellotape, because then I started to use blue tack because for me the blue tacks looked a bit easier to do. But yeah, I like it's got the red and white stripes, because you know the KFC buckets that you get, I believe they have the stripes on. General Sanders. Anyway, yeah, that's car 1. Car 2, Josh Weiss's Curb Records Ford Fusion 98. This was one that was used with blue tack, as you can see from the bottom. Made it quite good. Yeah. Anyway, 360 of this. Yeah, number 98. I believe this is for the team. I can't remember the team who he raced for, but I don't think it was a full-time team. I think it was only a team that only participated in a few races. Anyway, I mean, I do like this car, but it's a bit blank, it's a bit boring. It's black and white with red numbers. Next car, Matt DiBenedetto's number 83 Dustless Blasting. As you can see, this one was drawn by the great art skills of me. This was used with tape, and obviously it's a Toyota 360 of it. Yeah, in this video we'll be seeing 2 Fords and 2 Toyotas, then I'll be doing a video on the next 4 cars, and then, yeah, number 83, he was partnered with Jeb Burton, I believe. Yeah, he was in the same team as him. I like the way that they've got the green stripe on the bottom, and it matched up to everything. Again, same with this. A bit more colour would be good. You know, red, you know, green and white, yeah, they're good together, but a bit more, please, that would be fun. A bit more colour would be grand. Anyway, the final car in this video is probably the most colourful car here. Denny Hamlin's FedEx Express Toyota 360 of it. Obviously, we all know what team he races for, so there's no point in me saying. Again, made with tape and blue tack. I experimented with this car actually. I used both blue tack and sellotape. Well, I mainly used sellotape for hard to reach places. And anyway, yeah, I like this. Probably the most colourful car here. Obviously, Toyota, obviously. Anyway, that's the video concluding these 4, and then I'll see you in the video for the next 4.